Okay, I hope my voice is audible enough, and I hope you all can see my screen.
Loud and clear. Loud and clear. We can see your screen too.
Okay, okay. So the company is PUPRIME, and the P stands for the first P, the name goes for Pacific Union. The PU is Pacific Union, right? And then the prime means just basically quality of the product and services that we offer. So we are a regulated brokerage firm, right? And we have all the certifications. We started out in 2015 in Australia, and then in 2016, our data center in Hong Kong was established. Data centers, cloud data services, data centers in the UK and in the US were established in 2016. In 2017, our European Service Center was established in Spain. In 2018, we had our Asia data center in Malaysia, in South Korea, every other. In 2019, in 2019, Seychelles office was established, also St. Vincent and the Grenadines office also. In 2020, Software Development Center in Taiwan was established. And in fact, the list just goes on and on. In 2021, we came we touched down Africa and touched down Nigeria first when we came into Nigeria in 2021. And since 2021, we've branched out in South Africa, in Mauritius, in Egypt, in so many other countries. In Nigeria alone, we have two branches in Abuja and in Lagos. And when people ask me, do brokerage firm actually need an office? Well, the answer is no, we don't need a physical location for you to be able to trust us or do business with us. But we just do that so that we can be close to our clients, close to our partners and our customers and every other um, services they might need. We just want to be physically there so that they will have everything at their disposal, right? So currently, PU Prime is in fact, this is even an old screenshot. We are currently in like 25 nations of the world currently, and over 12 billion trades per day is being triggered on our platform. And we have over 200,000 plus registered accounts with 200 support in different languages. And let's just go on and on, right? So PurePrime offers different solutions to our clients. The first solution we offer that is not here is we offer you an access for you and we give you an access for you to be able to trade the global financial market, the forex market. So meaning we are a broker. So PU Prime is not a Ponzi scheme, it's not an investment company, it's not um it's a pure broker, right? We're just the middleman between you and the financial market. So before you can be able to trade the financial markets, your funds has to go through a broker, and then that's how it is, right? So before technology, before the internet came in place, if you have to trade the financial market, you have to go to your stockbroker physically um, and place a trade there and cash out your money, and then you go home, you drive home, right? But now with the internet, everything is now easy. You don't have to, you can even be in the toilet and you can place a trade for yourself, right? So aside that, P Prime offers education. We teach people on a daily basis how to trade the forex market physically and online for free, right? And we also offer copy trading. Our copy trading platform is one of the best, and that is exactly what I'm going to be talking about in the next 2 minutes from now, right? And we also offer partnership. We are open to people wanting to partner with us. Softwares, we have amazing softwares that can help you how to trade. We have basic profit scanners. We have morning coffee and some of all these AIs and tools that can help you get started in trading. All these things can be installed for you actually free of charge. We also have live trading sessions. We have fast withdrawal speeds and deposits, mentorship, and every other thing, right? So PE Prime it's an amazing broker that you have to start working with, right? So these are Abuja office. Is our Abuja office is at Work and Connect, number 50, a B2 QA Street. So from time to time we do organize trainings for some of our clients and our customers. So this is our country director. His name is Idowu Oloide, handling a session like this at our office. This was one of our programs in Grand Cubana Hotel last 3 years in Abuja. And I'm just gonna be scrolling down. This is we partnered with Jeffrey Benson at Jeffrey Benson's event 2 years ago for our country director when he was talking. And let me just scroll down to all the whole pictures. You can actually tilt your screen landscape so that you can have a good visual of everything. So these are foreign events, and this was in Dubai, the Dubai Forex Expo 2024, right? So these are this picture of our Abuja office, Work and Connect. We have amazing training facilities, amazing place that you can come and learn how to trade for free, right? And these are Lagos office at Agos Building, number 54B at Denny Jones in the Ikeja there. These were training classrooms and every other thing that you need to that can help you get started in trading. So regulations, right? PUPRIME have global regulations. St. Vincent's and the Grenadines FSA, we have the Cyprus, Seychelles, we have the Cyprus SISEC, we have the Seychelles FSA regulations. These are top regulatory bodies that are governing the brokerage industry, right? And someone was asking me, why don't you have Security and Exchange Commission's regulations in Nigeria? It's because we don't do investment, right? You download our app and you trade yourself. If you know how to trade, you make your money. If you don't know how to trade, you can actually do copy trading. So we don't collect your money to give you returns on investments. No, PU Prime is not that kind of company. And PU Prime is also not a multi-level marketing company, but just a broker, right? So this is the FinExpo in Egypt. This was 2023. And we also bagged an award in Fazako Business Awards in Dubai 2022. And PUBRIME has just been pretty much in the picture. Right, so I'm going to be sharing my screen now to talk about the copy trading and to show you all what the copy trading is all about. It's all about. So just give me a second. Let me pull up my slide for the copy trading. Okay. So we are here right now. So this is me. My name is Bright, but I go by the name Dr. Bright. People call me that. I'm a forex analyst, financial analyst, and a copy trading expert also, and a strategy developer too. I've been in the space for around a decade now, and I've trained a whole lot of people in trading. And but right now, I mean, I'm not in the training space again. I've moved further. I'm handling so many administrative duties right now in PU Prime Africa. So currently, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to leverage on the skills of other people to be able to make money for yourself and to survive the hyperinflation that is currently ravaging our economy right now. So what is this leverage we're talking about? It's basically taking advantage of something, taking advantage of an available resource or opportunity, right? The greatest failure is just failure of not to use other people's frustrations and disabilities to learn and make your own self better, right? So when you use other people's experience, you're actually bettering yourself, because you don't have to wait for a bad thing to happen to you. You have to use other people's experience to learn for your own self. So now success is no different from any other skills, right? In this training, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to duplicate success, how to replicate other people's success to make money for yourself, how to replicate other people's experience, right? So now, what is this skills that we are talking about? Everything is copy trading, copy trading, copy trading, right? So now we're going to be learning how to copy and chill. As you can see on this picture, we have a young man who is just sitting on his couch and listening to music while he has money working for him on copy trading, right? So now, what is this copy trading thing? Now, copy trading is a trading strategy and function which automatically replicates the trades of experienced and successful traders. Individuals now can now benefit from their expertise, insights, and strategies without requiring extensive trading knowledge or experience in the global financial market. So now, as the name implies, copy and trading, you can actually replicate the trades of successful people just with the help of one app. And that app is called PU Social, right? And the PU Social is an app from the PUPRIME, right? This is a separate app that enables traders, enables copiers connect to traders. It means if you don't know how to trade, all you just have to do is to download this app, sign up in the app, link your trading account to this app called the PU Social, and anybody you copy, automatically all their trades on a daily basis will be replicated on your own account, on your own phone, right? And whatever they make, also you also make that same money a day, right? If they lose also, you also lose the same amount of whatever they're losing, you also have the same loss, right? So now, how does this copy trading works? The first thing you need to do is to download this app and create an account with it. After you must have created your PE Prime account and your PE Prime trading account, you link your trading accounts to this app called PU Social. So the trading account is usually your MT4 or your MT5 trading account. The moment you link it, you'll be exposed to the discovery page. Now, this discovery page is a page where all the whole traders are. Now, on this app, there are over 8,000 traders, and all these traders are grouped into different categories, right? And um, all of them have their own trading strategy, trading style, and we're going to be exploring some of their. Sorry, can you all hear me?
Yes, please.
Okay, okay. I'm gonna be showing you some of their profile so that you can see how much these people have been able to make over time. Right now, this is just a picture of how their profile looks like, right? Sorry. Here's a picture of how their profile looks like. So now, like I said, there are over 1,000 traders. And before you should copy anybody, you have to open the person's profile and go through the details about the trader that you're about to copy. Because the moment you click on copy, everything is automated. Whatever they're trading, whatever thing they're trading on begins to replicate on your own account. Right. So this particular trader that I'm hovering over now, his name is Lexo. Lexo has been in the game for quite a number of years now. Currently has around 2,644 people copying his trades. Currently charges around 30% of every profit he makes for you on a daily basis. So if you look at some of their profiles, in fact, virtually all of their profiles, all the traders charge around 30%, right? 30%. So the meaning of that is if they make for you any, as you're copying them, any amount they make for you, right? At the end of the day, the app will deduct 30% to give to them, right? So it's now like a win-win situation for both traders and the copiers. because the traders will always want to make more money so that they can keep getting everybody's 30%. So as I was saying, this Lexo currently has around 2,644 persons copying him. He charges around 1,000. Sorry. Over time, he has been able to realize around 1,975%. Right. This guy is pretty new in the block. Excel Gold Profit Cents. As at the time of this screenshot, he has made around 12%. The meaning of this 12% is if you put $1,000 and started copying him since he started trading in in June, you'd have made around $120. You can do the maths for this other guy that has made around 1,975%. Right? This other guy, his name is Mr. Profit. He has been able to make a whopping sum of around 1,002% since he started trading in June also. Right? This other trader, Record Breaker, is the name of the trader. He has been able to make around 11,000%. I mean, some of these records are looking like it's been manipulated or not real, but actually this is real. Right? So before you copy a trader, like I just explained before, there are things you just have to look out for. You have to look out for their returns in percentage, right? How many percentage of the account have they been able to make since they started trading? Their returns in real cash, and the total number of trades they've taken over time. You have to check all these things, check their win rates to their loss rates, and also check the trading instrument that you're trading on. So for example, some persons like me don't like traders who trade on gold, right? Because I feel gold is somehow volatile, XAUUSD is somehow volatile, and I don't like traders who trade on gold. I only like traders who trade on normal forex pairs like Euro USD, AUD card, and the rest. So, but this particular trader that most of us are copying trades on AUD card, which is the Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar. It's a pair that is not so volatile, and over time he has been consistent and he has been delivering. Right. So now, what are the benefits of this copy trading as a solution? Number one, it helps you make money while you learn, right? For beginners, this is a perfect opportunity for you because you can actually understand if you really want to understand how the forex thing works. This copy trading can give you like a jump start. It can help you understand how the trading thing works even as you're learning. uh, Copy trading is a passive investment strategy, right? So for some persons who want to create an extra source of income for themselves, I know probably many of us have normal 9 to 5 jobs, or you have your own business running for you. You can actually have money running on copy trading for you that you can be taking out profits from it weekly, monthly, depending on how you want. Right. Other benefits of copy trading is that experienced forex traders can also benefit. Someone like me, I started trading a long time ago, but recently copy trading has made me a bit lazy because I no longer analyze the market and pick trade again. I just have funds running on copy trading, and that is just bringing in the cash from time to time. Now, another benefit is total control and transparency. This is the part I like to talk about very well because for like I said, this thing is not a multi-level marketing scheme. It's not a multi-level marketing scheme. It's just you and the global financial market, right? It's just you and your copy trading. The money is in your account. You can decide to withdraw all of your funds today. Even if you deposit today, you can decide to stop copying a particular trader and copy another trader. You can decide, okay, you want to be withdrawing your profits every day. You can decide, okay, anything you want to do, it's in your hands, right? You have 100% control of everything that is happening on your account, right? Another benefit of this copy trading is that you can actually diversify your portfolio. If you have quite a number of funds in your account, you can actually put them in separate accounts and copying different traders. And this one is giving you maybe around 10% monthly. This is giving you around 12%. This is giving you around 33% monthly. And all of them combined, you're getting sources of income from different traders, right? So now, what are the risks involved in this copy trading? What are the risks? This is a very, very important question that you should just pay attention to. So now, the first one, I don't see it like as a risk because number one, copy trading can actually make you lazy because when you see funds profits coming in, you can just decide you want to um whatever. So like number two, over leveraging, right? Copying more than one signal provider with relatively low capital. Now, if you don't know this copy trading, if you fund your copy trading account, you can even copy around 10 different traders at a time, but that is quite risky. With just one account, you can copy 10 different people at a time. This one is trading here, this one is trading, this is trading, this other trader is trading on the same account. But it's quite risky because if you want to do that, you have to. Sorry about my network. I had a glitch there. If you want to do that, you have to have a lot of a huge capital in your account, right? Before you can copy more than one person at a time. Right. And number three, overexposure of capital, increasing trade size proportion irrationally. Right? Some traders can so I say some copiers can fund their account and increase their risk size proportion abnormally. Normally, the copy trading is designed so that you can make at least 1 to 3% of your capital daily, but some persons want to make 10% daily, so they increase their trade size proportion to be able to make 10% daily, which is quite dangerous, right? So these are the risks that I know. And one thing again, I want to tell you about PU Prime and the PU Prime copy trading from the opening of, from this time you decide to, okay, you want to start the copy trading, it's quite easy from the opening of the account to funding of your accounts and to the copying. Everything doesn't even take more than 30 minutes and you're good to go with your copy trading. So now this is a very sweet part, which are the testimonials of people in the copy trading. So now, this particular guy, Mr. James, so at the time of this screenshot, this is the screenshot of his PU social profile, right? So as at the time of this screenshot, he has made around 22% and around $1,401 profits realized. Umilola has made around 17% as at the time of this screenshot, around, and in real cash, $514. Also, Oluwatosin made around 5% and around $100 as at the time of this screenshot. Madam Helen made around 290%, right? And 26,000 pounds. Lugbenga, the same thing, it's $5,000. And these are actually real testimonials from clients that are their accounts are hooked in on copy trading, right? So this is the MT5, MT4 screenshots, daily, monthly, weekly time frame history on their accounts. This particular one hovering over is my own personal account, made around 525, 552 at the time of this screenshot. This one has made around $61, this around 1,000 something dollars and the rest. So, and the list just goes on and on and on and on like that, right? So now one important thing I want to also talk about just quickly before I hand over to Mr. Emmanuel is that you can actually protect your capital. Your funds are safe, number one, because you're trading with a broker that is well regulated and certified, like PU Prime. You can Google us on, in fact, you can type around, if you can ask ChatGPT to tell you more about PU Prime. and if it's a good company, so that you can, of course, boost your confidence. But one thing again, I want to also make mention is this PU Social app is an app that is designed so that you won't lose your capital, lose your funds. Because when I started out, the first time I tried copy trading was in 2015, when the copy trading concept came about. Right, I deposited around $50 to want to try the copy trading, and the next morning when I woke up, I saw that the whole $50 had gone. I don't know how it happened, but that's just what just happened then. So apparently the trader I was copying then was trading on a $5,000 account or $10,000 account thereabout, and I was copying this trader with just $50. So my capital was not as huge as his own, and the moment he took just two trades that were on just maybe 1% drawdown on his account, my whole account was already wiped off. So you get, but now technology has come about and things are now put it, but now technology has now, sorry about that, my network glitched. But now technology has now come in place and things are now made easy. You can actually even copy somebody on that is trading on a $14,000 account with your $200, with your $500, but with the right settings, right? And now you can actually protect your funds. So you can tell the app, protect 70% of my capital, or protect 50%, or protect 60%, or protect even 90% of my capital, so that in any bad event, maybe the trader is losing some his trades and every other thing, my account is protected no matter what. So the app will do that for you. And if you're as you're doing the copy trading, maybe the trader you're copying is experiencing a very mad drawdown and you're losing your funds, the moment you lose, maybe you protect 70%, the moment you lose 30%, everything stops, closes, and keeps your balance for you to come and withdraw, or maybe continue the copy trading if you want. Right. So this app is 100% safe and trusted. So thank you very much. And Mr. Emmanuel, you can take over from here then before we head over to the question and answer section.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, Mr. Bright. Thank you for that wonderful and well-detailed presentation. Um, I don't know if, okay, let me take, I was thinking of showing us um, an account. However, let us take questions first, then I'll go ahead and do that. So if you do have a question, please indicate.
So I'll unmute everybody, and you can, if you want to talk, you can just
Okay, that's fine. That's
unmute
fine.
yourself and
So if you
ask
do
your
have a
question.
question, just go ahead and talk to us.
So you can unmute yourself and ask your question now.
Okay, good evening, everybody. My name is Joke Paul.
Good evening, sir.
Please, can you hear me?
Clearly, clearly.
Okay, fine. I have played a little bit in this copy trade space for a while. I've lost a substantial amount of money. I like the fact that you said you came into copy trading, or you did first copy trading sometime in 2015, and you lost the money that you got involved in copy trade. Like the people we copied then told us, oh, we could protect our funds. There were safety nets. There were ways we could end and stop our trade. But one thing I found out with some of those platforms and some of those brokers when we were doing those copy trade is when the trade starts going down, the person you are copying, you will not be able to stop the trade unless the person is the one who initiates the stop on the trade. So for a very long time, that raised a very big red flag for me, and I really didn't want to do anything related to copy trading. Some of the things you said are interesting. They sound juicy, but I'm still struggling to believe some of these things. So my first question will be that first, PU Prime, what kind of broker are they? Are they an A broker or a B broker? That's my first question. Then secondly, how realistic is it? Is there a way you can demonstrate for us to show us that, oh, if my trade is going on and there is a drop down on the side of the broker or on the trader, I will be able to end the trade from my own side. If I can have that level of security, then it is something I can now think of and consider. Because I'm talking about losing between 10,000 to $50,000 in copy trade. And I don't think that's anything I would want to risk again. So that's the reason why I'm asking these
Beautiful,
questions. I'll be more than glad
beautiful
if
question.
my questions are duly addressed and answered. Thank you so
This
much.
this this question shows that you've actually done copy trading before now. So now, yes, PU Prime is an A-book broker. Now, what does an A-book broker means for people who are here? So an A-book broker, and what does a B-book broker mean? A B-book broker is a broker that makes money when people lose their money, right? And I know a few B-book brokers around the world, especially there's a major B-book broker in Nigeria currently um that is operating, right? And I was actually working for that B-book broker in 2019, 2020. And when I saw the operations, I resigned from the B-book broker. I'm not going to call their name. And then I got an offer from PU Prime and I came to PU Prime. So now the A-book broker is a broker that just makes money from your trading volumes, right? And PU Prime is an A-book broker. We make money from your trading volumes. And that is why we always want to make sure that our clients make money. Now, let me prove to you why we always want to make sure of that. So if you come to a broker, you want to trade yourself, we ask you, do you know how to trade? If you don't know how to trade, we have to pass you through all our rigorous classes and make sure that you go through them and understand how trading is before you fund your account to trade. And if you don't know how to trade, we'll tell you, okay, fund your account and do copy trading. And our country director will tell us, account managers, tell your people to copy one person, which is just Lexo or Profit Card Sense, because we know these traders and we've been copying Lexo for years. In fact, if you download the PU Social app and check Lexo statistics, it's something that is so unrealistic because he has been in the trading space since 2023. And for 2022, 2023, he has been profitable and consistent, and he only trades AUD card. He doesn't trade a pair like gold that is so volatile and can go up and down in any irregular form. You understand? And now, down to your next question. If I'm sorry, down to your next question, if you can actually close your trade yourself. Yes, you can close the trade yourself. If you're copying anybody on the copy trading app and you're having a drawdown, you can close the trade from your copy trading app, which is the PU Social. You can even still close the trade on your MetaTrader 5. You can even still open a trade yourself or still on that copy trading side. Right? The trader does not have, of course, the trader has 100% access to your account. You also have 100% access to your accounts. If maybe you're a trader and maybe the trader picks a trade that you don't like and you check the chart and you see, this trade is not actually a buy trade. You can actually close the trade yourself. So you have 100% access to your account. And trust me, when I'm telling you that this guy we are all copying has been consistent down the years. To show you how good he is, an organization called Trade Varsity saw an opportunity in PU Prime's copy trading and decided they want to build a multi-level marketing. Sorry, my network just glitched. I said to show you how profitable that Lexo is, an organization called Trade Varsity saw an opportunity there and decided to build a multi-level marketing system around Lexo's copy trading on PUPRIME. So that is to say, if you want to copy Lexo, you have to pay a fee for you to be able to copy Lexo. You understand? So this is, I hope my analysis answers your questions. So if there's any other question, let's take, or if you have another question again, you can still ask Mr. Paul.
No, thank you. I don't have any questions for now. I will still read through my books and find out if there are any questions. I'll definitely ask them. But I am satisfied with what you've answered. I truly hope that I will be able to close the trade by myself because at the point I lost some of those funds I talked about, if I had the opportunity of being able to close my trade myself, it wouldn't have been that bad.
I
So
get.
I hope it truly works that way. But so far, I appreciate the fact one my relax point right now is that you are an A broker. And I have a lot of peace for the fact that you're an e-broker. We'll work it out from there. Thank you so much.
All right, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Joke. Let me just add, you won't need to close your trade here, actually, but I understand what you're saying perfectly well. We have a trader that is well experienced and does not take unreasonable risk. Let me just quickly show us. Just give me a few minutes, a minute or less. I want to share my screen. Just want to show us a live account quickly. Somebody share. I'm not saying share. Okay, I've seen it. Just a minute, please. Okay, can we see my screen, please?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
All right. So it's gonna be very brief. Let me go to history, or let me go to the customized dates. Let me start from here. Now, if you can see my screen, the custom period is between 2nd of August. All right. So this very day, right? Now let me show you the history. These accounts had $500 deposited and has made $829 as profit. All right. But of course, Mr. Bright talked about the sharing commission of percentage between the copier and the trader, which is 70-30, right? 30 goes to the trader, while the copier or the client keeps 70%. So if you look down, you see withdrawal. Everything that has been withdrawn from the system is the 30%. Now, that's why if we go to trade, you see the balance reading $1,000 and $1,032. All right, this is a live account of 4 months, guys. 4 months. And this is MT5. This is the platform called MT5. So you're not depositing your money on somebody's website. After 2 months, you get to get stories of system under what's it called now? Website under maintenance, all of that story. Your money is with you. You are 100% in control of your fund, and we have a good trader, right? We have a wonderful good trader that does not just put your. I don't have all the time. I would have shown you all the history. It does not make so much profit. That's why I said, listen, it's not about making. No, but this is what has been obtained so far. There are months you can do 20. I asked that question because like he said, and like my friend Jokepo O'Reilly said, there are people who funded their account with the mind of, yes, my money is with me. I'm not doing Ponzi. But yet those accounts were liquidated. What that means is this. Let's say you fund your account with $10,000 and the trader is trading for you, and boom, all of a sudden the market is against him, and you lose every time, every cent on that account. That has never happened in the space of 3 years. The worst thing that has happened is the guy not making so much money, just making 5%. But listen, it's still profit. Your money is with you. And of course, the average performance is actually between 20 to 30%. There are days it can do slightly above 30. There are months it can do slightly above 30. There are also months it can do slightly below, right? That is how amazing the system we have is. That is how amazing the system we have is, guys. So I'd just like to briefly call on one of our leaders or two. Mr. Toye, if you can hear me, just share your experience with us. You are a trader, you know how to you trade. So give us your experience so far with PUPRIME and Lezo as a trader. Mr. Toye, are you there? It seems he's not on the call. All right, Mr. Donald, if you can hear me, just briefly, our time is fast spent. Briefly, just give us your experience with the system, with the broker. And
Hello.
okay,
Hello.
Mr. Donald, take it over, please.
Yeah, good day, everyone. Yeah, amazing presentation. Clean cut explanation, everything on point. Yeah, I was having my skepticism around the copy trading also when I started. Okay, but from what Dr. Uh, Bright said, I took my time to actually look at it, and even there's something he said that if you can even ask ChatGPT to even find you with all the necessary information you need. Okay, all those I did, and the guy less so really, as he has said it, that's what it is. The guy has been in profit for like ever since he has started, and for what I've known, okay, he has consistently having this percentage of profits being meted out every month. Okay, the only time I think I have a kind of low profit stuff was I think it made roughly 18%. Yeah, I have recorded a month that it made 18%. And but after that, it has always been 22, 23, 30, at most even go as much as 35, 40, depending on when the market is okay. So we have a very profitable system with us. Okay, it's just a due time for us to just plug in and just like the poster actually rightly uh, pictured, the copy and chill. Exactly, that's what it is. So I would like to endure us to actually plug in and do, and also let's act like that picture, that advertisement picture. Okay, exactly the way the guy just chill. Okay, that's how it looks, and that's how it's going to be. So I really thank God for having me plug into this system early enough, and I've not regret any bit of it since then. Thank you so much.
Wow, 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 wow. Thank you so much, sir, for that feedback. Um, Madam Suzanne, I'm sure you're on the call. Just round up. Let it be brief.
It has to be brief because I join another.
Let us know how you feel.
Well, I quickly want to say something in response to the question that was asked earlier, and that has to do with you being able to stop your trade. I've experienced it, and I was able to stop it from my end. So that's confirming to
Wonderful.
the question. If you don't like how your trade is going, if you don't like the person you are following, you can switch, you can remove, you can put back, and I think that is awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Dr. Bright, do you have anything to say as we round up?
No, I'm good.
Okay, friends, for me, I was saying earlier, please let me encourage us, or let me beg us. Please, it is very important that we join the Zoom calls early so that we don't miss out on vital information, please. Please, I'm begging us, because at the end of the day, some people come in 30 minutes into the meeting, some 25 minutes, and they would ask, let's is what this is. Listen, I was saying earlier in the course of when we got started, I said I'm just super excited. And I'm not excited because we're going to make so much insane, crazy money, as much as we're going to make money. But you know why I'm excited? Because I have peace of mind. All right. I have real substance to offer people. I have value to give people. I can share this with friends and family, and everybody can go to bed and rest. Right. The investor, the copier, even the person introducing them to the opportunity is resting, unlike what we have done before. All right. This might also look small. Listen, and it's not small. It's because all this nonsense Ponzi, they don't they don't wide our mouths, But in actual fact, the returns, the trade profits coming in monthly they're not small in any way. I just showed you an account. After removing the 30% that belongs to the trader, the account is sitting on 100%, slightly above 100% in 4 months. And listen, your money is not with a third party. What else do you want? All right, come in with a mindset of building wealth. Come in with the mindset of building wealth, even if it's $500. Give it time to compound. Albert Einstein said, what's it called? The power of compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. The power of compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. Even if it's 10%, you don't know what 10, 20% can do for you over a period of time. Listen, friends, get back to whoever invited you to this call. We have a good system. This is as real as any market, guys. It's as real as Idumota market. It's as real as a Bureau de change. All right. Actually, that's what we are doing. That's what Forex is, exchanging one currency to the other. The only difference is that this is done electronically or via internet. That is what we are doing, guys. So you might not fully understand this system and the whole process and the whole Forex of a thing. You learn as we go on. Key in, get started. Don't miss out on this opportunity. And I tell you, the next 1 year, 2 years, 5 years down the line, we are here, guys. We're gonna be here. Mr. Dr. Bright, I don't know if you talk about rebates. For those who want to, it's not a network marketing program. However, you can leverage on what we call IB. That is a system that you share this with people. And as people are joining, all right, you are helping them to make money. You also are earning, a little bit, a little drop of cents here, a little drop of dollar here, and you are making reasonable money at the end of the month. All right. So I want to urge you, open up for this opportunity. I don't care where you're coming from. You have lost. I respect that. I have lost. All right. As a matter of fact, let me round up with this. Two years ago, I quit MLM. I quit network marketing because of the measure of the losses. It was so overwhelming that I said, you know what, I'm done with this. And of course, the story has not changed. People that are still promoting, after 3 months, they lose money. After 6 months, they lose money. So if you are in their shoes, look again. This is totally different. And this can help you improve your economy, improve your finance, and ultimately get you to a place of financial freedom. My name again is Odigbaso Emmanuel. Call me Emmy Wealth for short. Thank you for making out time for this call meeting. We see you again on Monday. God bless you. Good night, everybody.
Good night and thank you, sir.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.